Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigator and this is a market update for June 23rd, 2022. So the market, they found some kind of support and now we are trying to have a bear market rally. So if the market be able to get out of this resistance here, the market will continue to head up to test the upper bound here shortly. So at least they release some kind of stretch at this level here, and then we're looking forward to rebound to the upside. But right now, everybody looking to see how the market they get back up to the upper level, and then they can tell it they'll be able to continue to push it back up, or they will continue to push it lower. Okay, so but at this moment, yet looking for a bear market rally, and in the short term, we have some rebound to the upside. So if you look at the short term, right now the market continue to punch to the one of the strong level of resistance here. If tomorrow we can clear 3840, then that we have more potential to even push it higher. So now let's take a look on the other index. As you can see that Nasdaq did also found some support, like I told you on the weekly market. The market be able to stabilize at this level. Now we're looking for some kind of rebound back to the upside. The Russell 2000 is also bounced back from the support, and now they looking to rebound also. The Dow, it's the same thing. On this blue box here, we show you on the weekend. Now they try to push it up again. So if you look at the crude oil, I warned you last week, if they break this support here, then you should take profit because they failed to make another high here. So they have a strong level of resistance at the sell zone, and the last couple of days here, they continue to push it downside. So now they break the first level of support. Now they have a second level of support. If they fail to hold this level, they can even go further south. So it depends on this level here. Very important to watch out for that. If you look at for gold, it's still sideways choppy to below the down trend line, continue to put it down. They have some support here, but they go sideways choppy to the downside right now. They couldn't be able to stay above and break above this downtrend line here. So technically, it's still sideways choppy market. If you look at the Bitcoin, they break the level of support. They continue to go down. So momentum is still in the downtrend. However, they try to find a way to put it back up. So let's see. This is the last line of support here. But if they can push it back up, so they will come back and retest and 24, 26 here. Okay, so this level here will be a strong resistance. So it will continue to rebound to the upper downtrend line here until we're able to break it. So just wait for that. Okay, and the Ethereum is also similar. They have some strong support here. So now they looking for a short-term rebound, but the overall trend is still bearish. The downtrend line is still hold them up here. Now let's take a look on the 11 sector of the S&P 500 to see where they're heading to. So the material sector, they hit pretty hard after they fall up of the support zone here and continue to go down. But in the last minute, we see some buyer here, but the overall trend is still bearish. Okay, the communication service, they try to stabilize here. They are in the downtrend. However, they try to find a way to snap back a little bit. Okay, the energy is the one that get hit really hard. Because like I told you, nothing it go up forever. So that's why when they break the trend line, when they have support, that's okay. But when they break it, you will take profit. Otherwise, they will wipe out your profit very quickly. Only take you more than a week. They can wipe out all the gain that you have since April right now. You can see that. So the market is volatile. So when they hit to certain level of the cycle, then you have to know and take profit right away. The financial is also in the downtrend. However, they have some support here. So probably we're looking for short term to rebound also. The industrial, they get hit pretty hard here also, but they try to stabilize here. So you see they're able to snap it back up. The technology, it also found a support, and now they're looking forward to come back to fill up the gap to the upside there. XLP concerned some table, they get hit pretty hard. However, they hit to the level of support, and now they try to buy back up. If they can clear the area here, and they have a chance to put it up to the upside again. The utility is pretty strong to the last couple of days. They hit to the buy zone, hold up. Now they buy back up, so they will try to come back. They have a lot of gap here to refill here, and a lot of resistance in the upside. So, but at the moment you see that they have a strong rebound also to the upside. The real estate also get help from the interest rate. They continue to make it low, high, low, low. So for the last for 5 days, that helped the real estate stabilize. So let's see, the interest rate can be hauled up. Right now they have a support here. If they fail up the support here, they can even go further. So that will be a good case for the market to rebound. But if they still continue to put it back up, okay, they have still the inflation is still high. So you watch this one so you can tell. The volatility is also coming down. They hit to the top, now coming down. So they have some support here. But if they drop below here, then market will be more calm, and then they can go higher. If you look at the healthcare sector, the biotech and healthcare, also pretty strong. The last couple of days they able to snap back, a very strong momentum to the upside. So they try to fill up one gap, two gap here. So that could put up a lot of stock, which I'm going to show you with a couple of stocks in this sector that they are able to snap back to the upside. So take a look and put in your watch list and see how they lay out. The consumer discretionary still have a problem here, but they also try to find a way to fill up the gap here to the upside right now also. So right now, if you look at the XLV, which is a strong healthcare sector, they bounce back. So a couple of names that I would like to show you is, let's say, first one is LLY, which is very good. The trend is still up. They go up, they continue to make high, they pull back, they follow support and buy zone, they continue to put back up. So they tell you that momentum is still have some room to put into the upside. So that's one stock that you need to watch out. Second one is the BMY. This one also very strong. Even the market, the ES, it get hit pretty hard, but this stock they still stay in one place. If they can clear this resistance here, they will continue to head north. Okay, so watch out for that. And the last one I want to show you is UNS, that's the United Healthcare. They are also found support at the buy zone. In the last couple of days, they've been able to snap back and very strong momentum. So they still have room to put it up to the upside. Okay, so that's the three stock in the healthcare sector that I want to show you. So take a look and then monitor them to see how it work out for you. Okay, so I think that we have a short week this week, and tomorrow Friday. So overall market is still try to find a way to snap back and fill up one gap here, okay, at least, and then the downtrend line here. So as long as they can move back up, we will, in the short term, we will stick with the uptrend, okay, until they hit to the resistance level, and then we'll see how the market doing, and depend on the momentum here, how strong it move here. So we can say that, you know, the bottom is in place, or they will fail here and then continue to go one more before they can go up. So it depends, right? So that's why we cannot conclude that this is a bottom yet until they be able to give you more precise, okay, what they want to do next. So it will take a while here, but definitely we have some buyer step back in the last couple of days. So that's a good side for the market. It rebound for now. Okay, so that's all I have for you. So thank you very much for watching, and then I will see you on the weekly market forecast. Take care, everyone.